guys, I'm King Jasper Ticulango.
And you are watching Daily Life Diaries.
This video we're gonna talk about ICT and multimedia. So according to Wikipedia, a multimedia is a form of communication that combines different content forms such as text, audio, images, animations, or video into a single interactive presentation. ICTs are also used to refer to the convergence of media, technologies such as audiovisual and telephone networks, with computer networks by means of a unified system of cabling or link system. So, what are the benefits of ICT in this 21st century? ICT makes communication faster and easier. No more waiting for letters. We can send instant messages or video call anyone worldwide. Apps like Messenger, WhatsApp, and Zoom make it all possible. Families, friends, and businesses can stay connected anytime, anywhere. It's a game changer for how we interact and share moments. Multimedia and ICT are changing the game in education. Teachers are using presentations, videos, and platforms like Google Classroom. Students can attend online classes, access ebooks, and join webinars. This makes learning more engaging and accessible for everyone. Education is now borderless and inclusive. How cool is that? The ICT is a game changer for businesses, making marketing and teamwork a breeze. Companies are promoting their products on social media, reaching customers like never before. Employees are collaborating effortlessly with tools like Google Drive and Microsoft Teams. Even small businesses can thrive using platforms like Facebook and TikTok. It's all about connecting and growing in today's digital world. ICT isn't just about consuming information, it's about sharing our voices and making an impact. So how do you use ICT to stay connected? Share your thoughts below and join the conversation.